So guys, this is the after damage of the crash, of the accident that I met yesterday. So it's quite a slow speed accident lah. Slow impact, but oh, the damage on my car, oh my god. Just see, one of the sensor is gone, so my parking sensor keep on beeping when I actually drive the car lah. So the bonnet dented with the paint chip off. My fender, I'm not sure whether this part is out of alignment or not, because currently this is dented. And yeah, so it's quite bad. I think there's a lot of things to change. So what happened is I was at the filter lane, so there's a give way sign on the left, so I was turning left. Then when I was checking for any oncoming traffic, then the car in front of me suddenly just stopped. So when I was checking for oncoming traffic, I don't see any car, so definitely, naturally, you won't think that the car in front will stop because there's no car, you are supposed to move off. So I'm not sure why he stopped. So when I was checking for the traffic, when I turned my head back, he was in front, so too bad. Take it as unlucky. So next time I know, if during giveaway it's better to actually look in front first, then once you are behind the line, then you start to check for the traffic. Don't check traffic before the pedestrian crossing. So yeah lor, tomorrow Monday I will bring, first thing in the morning I will bring the car to the insurance authorized workshop to do a reporting and to get it fixed lah. But now the car, the bonnet is already, the alignment is out, as y'all can see. I can't close it, so when I drive there's the beeping sound asking me to close up the bonnet. Yeah, so I think this part should be not able to repair. I have to replace the whole thing. It's my first accident that I actually knock into someone. Usually it's people knock into me. But I think I'm just going to remove some of the parts first. If not, tomorrow I drive sekali drop on the road, then my tire become tire pancit, even more suay already. So as you can see, the crash, actually he was moving off already, but I'm not sure why he stopped. I asked him, he can't even answer me why he stopped. So yeah. Let me take all this out, let's see. Let's see. I'm not sure if I should peel this off. I'm scared later it drop out if I drive the car. Paiseh, I want to drive the car like that. I think maybe the fender, hopefully don't hit. Hopefully the impact don't hit until the structure of the car. A lot more troublesome, Hopefully this one minor damage or what, the fender can just change it. So I think maybe need at least a few weeks before the car is ready. So now got no car, have to ride bike already. Can't really go out with the family already. Anyway, if y'all are guessing what's under here, This is a V4 Ducati Panigale V4. It's my brother's one. It's my younger brother V4. Still can't wait for my turn to get one actually. Never even ride the bike for so long. Wasted. Only change tire and just park the bike here. So yeah. So let me know in the comments if y'all think that what can be done to prevent this type of incident. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share with your friends. So thanks so much for watching. See you guys on the next one.